Can you solve these riddles with me?
I have no life, but I can't die. What am I? A battery! I have many words, but can never speak. What am I? A book! I can run, but not walk. What am I? A river! I have no bones, but can stand. What am I? A jelly! What can you catch, but not throw? A cold!
Achoo!
What has one eye, but can't see? A needle! What has legs, but can't walk? A table! I can't be opened, but never closed again. What am I? An egg! I am a room with no doors or windows. What am I? A mushroom! I am a bear with no teeth. What am I? A gummy bear! I have no beginning, end, or middle. What am I? A donut! Yummy! I can fill a room, but take up no space. What am I? Light! I go up when rain comes down. What am I? An umbrella! I have no eyes, but I can cry. What am I? A cloud! I have teeth, but I don't bite. What am I? A comb! The more you take from me, the bigger I get. What am I? A hole! I get lost every time you stand up. What am I?